Okay, I'm staying. Rain Gal, Joss Stone, Spoiled.
This is what happens when you're forced. Excuse me. Excuse me. I kinda thought that I'd be better off by myself. I never been so wrong before. You made it impossible for me to ever love somebody else, and now I don't know what I left you for. See, I thought that I could replace you. He can't love me the way you do. Till now, I never knew, baby, I'm spoiled by your love, boy. No matter how I try to change my mind, what's the point? It's just a waste of time. I'm spoiled by your touch, boy. The love you give is just too hard to find. Don't wanna live without you in my life. I'm spoiled. I'm done. What are you doing